this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
According to City YouGov, UK short-term expectations fell to 3.7% in November from 4.2%. UK long-term expectations fell to 3.9% from 4.2%. According to TV Asahi, Japan to issue more than 11 trillion yen additional government bonds for full year 2025 extra budget.
Yo, what's happening, people? Let's get my seat sorted out. Wait. Oh, there's a lot of fog today. A lot of fog. Wow. Okay. Anyway, log in. Here's the iPad. Let the iPad boot up. Damn it, gold. Alright, so price is coming down on yen. Gold just tagged that zone. Look at that wick. Bloody hell. That would have already been I'd already been in like 1 minute. Would have been already what I needed. Wow, that's hilarious. Now that would have been insane. That's crazy. That did rapid on gold. It's annoying that it tagged so quick. I'm just thinking I would have realistically entered. There's M1 covering that low. And then M2 was that low there, that low there. Either way, I would have had what I needed. Yeah. We're back under 100 on the DXY, which is great. I think this move here was a potential fake out. Moved up, wicked on both sides. 3 days, 1, 2, 3, 4 days wick, and then 4th day sell off, 5th day pushing down, which makes sense with the data we had in terms of the news and stuff. So yeah, makes sense, I guess. That price is gonna come down. So this is interesting. You would have had like 1, 2 R and then it dropped. That's interesting on gold. Pound going to the toilet again. Why am I not surprised? Looks like pound's gonna fall again, in all honesty. I'm just hoping I can catch a clean entry on it either way. Nope. You can zoom out the enemy. Gold's gone crappy again as well. I wanted to move from here, but it's not looking good. Look at XAUUSD. We're up 0.5. It's up double. Tagged off for the line. Could have just set that there. Silver's looking a bit better. Could have gone break even on that first break there if you wanted to take it, I suppose. Let's look at Bitcoin. No, it's sat at around 87, so it's kind of recovered from the low. So you've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in the green, really. It's not bad for Bitcoiners. So even this failed. That zone has to fail. We've tagged it once, tagged it twice. Should fail now. Vroom vroom. Assalamualaikum. Ahlan wa sahlan. Buffy sleepy today, man. Like so sleepy today. Where is?
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Bashy's on low power mode today, in energy saving mode, battery saving mode. Oh shoot! It's just gonna be bad. I don't know what they're gonna talk about, but I know it's just gonna be bad. That's it. That's all I know. This is giving long opportunity, but I don't want a long pound. Like that's the worst. Want a long. I want to sell it. Even GJ, I don't want a long GJ, but it looks like yeah. Tax hikes. Okay. I know they were talking about yes, it probably will, yeah. It probably will, yeah. But pound is in the toilet right now. Took a S&P long yesterday. Yeah, that's good. Oh, wait a second. Lovely volume right there. Oh my god, how big is this? Wallahi, if there's one problem, it's another. You wait for a clean entry and then you see another problem occur. I caught long it now. Damn it. That zone's too big. That zone is too big. 53, 54, 55. That puts us at 4.7. I have to do 6 pip SL. I don't like having bigger than 5. I have to keep waiting then. The low of New York sesh. Oh, that's good. If you manage to catch that. My patience has been really tested with these markets the last 2-3 days, because normally I can read price action quite good on EU, GU and in London session on all the currencies I trade, yeah, but the issue tends to be like, you know, I get an invalidation or price wars and stuff like that. I'm okay with it, no problem. But the last few days, like this week so far, Monday, Tuesday, bro, I could not understand what London's trying to do. Wallahi, it was not making sense at all. So I'm wondering what the hell is today gonna do, because Frankfurt so far is horror, bro. Look at that on GJ, is absolutely horrendous, bro. On GU, obviously since Frankfurt open, it's just falling down, which is, that's GU maneuvers nowadays. Bro, I swear down, man. It's not even boring. It's not that for me they're boring, it's just I can't decipher it, because nothing's working in a way or logically it should work or whatever. Because I obviously trade M1 based on how well I can read price action, yeah? And normally I read it really, really good. I call invalid zones and stuff like that, and I say I need a confirmation here to give me an entry. If I don't, it's invalid, it's gonna keep going in that direction, blah, 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 blah. So I call it all really, really well. But it's when those days you can't even figure out what the hell price is trying to do. They're the days where you're just like, what the hell, man? I'm confused, type thing. Yeah, same on higher time frame right now. Shit's not making sense. If it takes a trade, it's really small. Like, yeah, it's really bad. It's crazy that M1 and maybe the 4-hour chart are probably the same in terms of how horror they are. What I want to say to the market is, I'm gonna do video so you can see me. I'm gonna do the batizak in your ass, bro. Batizak to the markets. There you go. Go back to TradingView again. I have to do full picture mode in it, bro. Full picture mode. Man's got the full picture mode just for the thingy, bro. Just like I get the hand wobble in there, like the hand way. Oh man. It looks like it's still gonna go short, innit? It looks like it's still gonna go short. Man's gone full pick mode, you know. What are you doing awake? What are you doing, by the way? Because are you supposed to be working or something like that? Isn't it like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 or 12 in Dubai or Sharjah? Yalla, come up, break this high, give me clean zone for entry, please. But not this zone, because this zone's even worse. That zone's 5.1. Yes, been able to join the sea because I'm on leave till Monday. Oh, okay, wait. Do you work or study? I forgot. I forgot if you work or study. I don't remember. One of my friends who trades ICT, yeah. He's obviously like he comes to my stream, but he's not been coming so much recently. He's from the UK. One of my good friends, yeah. And he goes, oh bro, listen, one of my friends started trading and that, yeah. Basically, I need to send him to you because we're all in the same boat, innit? I was like, what do you mean? He goes, we're all getting cooked psychologically by the market. I was like, hold on, I was like, yeah, just send him to me, no problem. I graduated uni about 3 months ago, now doing 2 part-time jobs, which is like 1 full-time. Okay, what did you do in uni and what jobs are you doing now? I goes, bro, I'm getting cooked as well. He goes, you took L's. I goes, I'm not taking L's, but the market's not making sense. He goes, don't say that, bro. You're the only one who's doing well out of all of us, yeah? I was going to send him over to you for guidance. I goes, I'll help him psychologically, but he needs to know right now everything is khara. Andusian taxi. Hey, Karibu Andogu. Bezde.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Brother.
I work as a trade for business administration in uni. Why business administration, bro? That's the worst. You know, everyone who does business in the UK, only 10% of people actually finish it. Everyone quits after 1 year or 6 months. I work as a trade finance officer and a driver. Trade finance officer and prop firm trader. Yeah, prop firm trader. That's exactly what I thought as well. Nah, nothing like that. What do you mean, bro? It literally sounds like trading, bro. Trade finance. Is it kind of like a clerk or something like that for like an accountancy firm or something? And a driver. Oh, taxi driver. Oh, definitely getting you to be my taxi driver. If I ever get legal privilege to go to Emirat. After I cooked myself. I'm gonna use that title when someone asks me what I do. Yeah, I'm a trade finance officer. Yeah, I like that. It sounds really authentic as well. It sounds really legitimate, but we all know it's bullshit. Trade finance is just being the middleman between two companies in two different countries doing business to make sure everything is fair and smooth. Okay, so it's more like international business relations advisor. Yeah, international business advisor. Or international relations business advisor. International relations advisor. Yeah, international relations, international regulation, international regulated business advisor. Internationally regulated business advisor. You could say that, make it sound even more fancy. To make sure everything is fair and smooth. Yeah. But I wouldn't trust a Palestinian, no chance. I would not trust I wouldn't trust the Arab to do anything like that. No way. No way. No way. Yeah, I'll pocket the money. Ya akhi, I'll do a good deal for you, ya akhi. You give me $500, I make sure the business do good price for you, akhi. Yani, ليست مشكلة, akhi. Okay, brother, I trust you. Jazakallah khair, akhi. Hello, I see Marcus. Can I deposit $500 in my account, please? Can I get quick fill on gold longs? Oh man, none of the invoices go through. I just take them all. That is so wait.
Please, Pete, I need this.
Attila, please, I need this. Oh my god.
Why so weak? So weak.
So weak, brother. So weak. Nah, that was funny still. That was funny. I like that. That was good. That's good. So the markets are still in free fall. There's no entry for me to get in shorts. I'm happy to flick into shorts in the like in a quick second, boys. Just doing nothing, man. Literally doing nothing. I have to wait for London Open. See if London Open does anything. Because right now this is horrendous, man. Just look at that. Oh, that is ugly. This is alright. This makes me want to go short. But I kind of want to go long because I want to see that zone fail. That pink zone up top here. But you know what? I might need to think logically. There's a build up. Price could come down, take that level. Okay, so got a build up here. Price could come down, go long. Very possible. Or price could do a break and then a test and then a short down. Alright, cool. Now 8 a.m. Yani 12 minutes. All right, no more. Yeah. We're back to just normality now. So that potentially failed. Now we'd say this high here. Bro, I just want one clean trade, man, but the markets are being so bad that I just don't see it giving anything. And my request for one clean trade is not that big either. Just like one clean. Be right back in 30 minutes. Okay, yalla. Francis, what are you saying? You looking at gold or not? Gold gave an entry, man, but on M1, but very unfortunate. So I marked it out when I went toilet there. Then obviously that happened there. Price tagged that level there, went straight up there. Yeah, exactly. Midline gold, yeah, basically same thing. The entry was on the 2 minute, it was this here, and then you could have covered this low, but I would have probably just done like 20 pips. So there. So here was the entry. Break even would have been in 20 minutes, which is a bit slow. It would have been up about 4R. And if you took it from the absolute low right here, then you're really tight on it, like really tight. Would have 17 pip SL, and you would have been all right. So yeah, I just missed that run at M1 because I was obviously looking on my phone and stuff, marked everything out. Went, brushed my teeth, all that stuff. Then obviously hopped on the computer, and by then I was like, oh no, it's already kind of doing its move. I was thinking about just entering directly on the middle because I had alert set, but then I thought I'd rather go to M1, get confirmation of it, and then go long in it. But just wasn't able to kind of catch that, unfortunately. But I'm glad you caught it anyway. What's your SL? Is it Asia low or is it 90 pips again? Because you'll be up about 1R now, innit? Bro, 5S crazy discount. Funded Next got a discount as well, bro, right now. Yeah, 100 pips. You would now be up about 1R. 100 Next rules crazy. What do you mean Next rules crazy? They're easy. What's wrong with them? What's wrong with 100 Next rules? Huh? Asterisk. Oh, I don't understand. Brother, I don't understand what you're trying to say me. Hyundai Next has good rules, man. Yeah, FTMO is the best, hands down. Like you just go with them, man, if you got the money. A lot of people don't go with them because they're expensive, and they think you go to cheaper places and get one payout and then go there, but then they don't realize the cheaper places or either don't pay you out or they have stupid rules that are really difficult. So yeah. I'm up in it 3%. I'm just waiting for another trade, but the markets have been really dirty, bro. Like exceptionally dirty. Yeah. Yep. GJ is gonna go flying through the toilet. It's gonna go all the way to the deep ocean. I wanted to go long. I was willing to flip to shorts, but you had this channel here, We broke structure here. Higher low, lower high. Okay, lower low. Interesting there. Kind of made a low high, then broke through all this level here. Now I just need to see what price action is gonna do. Is it gonna give me any direction, or am I totally screwed? What? My phase 2 challenge is in 1.7% drawdown. What? Yeah, I swear, what happened? I swear you were up on that account. If you don't break out of gold, compression finish, then we're gonna have to, yeah, okay, that's interesting, Francis. I just need enough motivation to not lose confidence. No, you just need to ignore confidence, ignore motivation, and just do your job, man. It's really simple. Come on, man. Sorry if that's a bit harsh, but like, it's really simple. I don't get why everyone gets emotional about trading, bro. It's a job. Do you go to work and be emotional? No, you just sit there and do your job, man. You need to like stop trading, bro, and just look at trading and say, what is trading? Do I understand trading or not? I don't think people understand trading. You need to understand trading. When you understand it, you're going to be much better at accepting these things. Be a technical trader before you become a discretionary trader. Yeah, exactly. Discretion's experience based, in it. You have no experience. Obviously, like 2 years experience is good, but you need profitable experience, not just 2 years experience of not doing things right, if you catch what I'm saying. Like, you just need to like just study what is trading, bro, because a lot of people, they don't even understand. I think once you've studied what is trading, you'll do a lot better. So we've dropped down, taking these lows here. Lovely reaction from there. Yeah, I really wanted gold longs, man. So unfortunate. So unfortunate. Up in here. Yeah, you do, but you have to meet certain criteria for that. They don't just give it to you straight away. Yeah, look at that volume. Beautiful. I like that. Like that. I don't like GU because... Oh, I thought it's near Asia low. Okay, it's not near Asia low. Never mind, ignore me. I thought it was near Asia low, so yeah. That's good. London Open's coming in a minute, but I need to
You're behind
focus.
the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com.
I might have time to have a quick glance.
And save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
Need to be careful because of that. Let's see what this does now. Oh, London Open in 40 seconds. What is London Open gonna do? Here's Frankfurt low. We're here at Frankfurt high right now. Still making lower highs and lower lows on here. Yeah, build up, sweep of it there. It makes sense on the
Sources
M15.
say that US and Taiwan target trade and investment deal that includes American workforce training.
Yeah, that makes sense. Or it could be that price is gonna fly up from there also on M15. But all I'm seeing is a massive build up here. Price drop down. Now you should start seeing bullish momentum. Now I think longs might happen on AUD USD possibly. But at the same time, we did come up and take Asia high here. So there's an Asia high, damn it, right here. So it could be the case where, yeah, we took Asia high, we might start dropping down. So yeah, both sides of the market there's a trade. It just depends how you want to go in it. What way do you want to look at the market? What direction do you want? Intraday, 1 hour's next 1 hour move, next 5 hours move. Like there's both sides there in it. But even here is a channel right now. Yeah, hopefully no problem. But if you take a loss, it is what it is, and just accept it. If you do take a loss, study why it happened, and that's it, innit? What else can you do? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just psychology is, yeah. People fail on psychology because they don't understand trading. I think if you understand trading, there is no psychological issues at all, but people just don't understand what is trading. Oh, there's like 1, 2, 3 equal highs right there. And then on here, 206.50. 50 right there. They got taken out. Interesting. I'm just looking to see if shorts are gonna work or if longs are gonna. So I'm just flipping the way I'm looking at this right now to see. London Open on the minute took this high. Now if it's gonna make a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, technically a higher high, higher low, but then look what's happening. We've had London Open take that high. So is it now gonna be lower high, higher low, lower high, lower low, and then a sell off? That's what I'm just looking at now. And then on GG I wanted longs. So I'm just looking at, is structure gonna give us shorts or is structure gonna give us longs? So I'm just trying to figure that out. And if this zone does fail, then that turns into a break, and then this turns into a demand zone. Which is why I'm just looking in it to see what's price gonna do and where's it gonna go. Same with euro. What's the news looking like? No news till 12:30. Yeah, that's fine. Wow, NZD got really strong because they're not doing a rate cut. That makes sense. Makes a lot of sense. Gold is going now. Damn it, bro. I can't believe I missed that. That is for lying. Yeah, that would have, oof. Yeah, I would have targeted Asia high most likely. So about there. Yeah, man. Damn it. Damn it. Oh well. I wanted those longs as well, Amal, but I went toilet, marked it out and stuff like that, yeah, like that zone there. And then when I like brushed teeth, sat down on the computer and stuff, I was like, oh god, it's already gave the entry and already gone and everything. Not even watching it, I'm busy looking at thick tattooed women. This guy is looking at things to distract himself from psychological warfare. Brother, I understand. Well, she must have sent you. Nah, I don't do thick women. Nah, I don't do fat women. You calling them thick is basically the fat, bro. I don't do fat women. I prefer my more slim, slender women. Bashy converted me, yeah. I define thick and fat differently. Oh, okay, good, yeah, because most people define thick as fat, and it's like, nah, bro, that's like, she's fat, bro. Like, she's not attractive. She's just big. She's like a walrus, my homie, like a walrus. Nice. Okay, so lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Technically a higher high, higher low, but we're still going to break that high. We drop down here. There's no direction as of yet. Either go up, break that level, make me get in longs, or drop down, break that level, and let me get shorts. What else can I do? Nothing. Also, all their zones are huge, man, because it's like the right on the minute London Open volume. What's CHF doing? CHF is flew all the way up. That's interesting. Yeah, CHF has popped up quite a bit. I don't like skinny women who are really, really thin. I just like someone who's got just a normal body, bro. Like, you know what I mean? Like normal, not like skinny, not like freaking thighs where they rub together and the hair on your back, your neck starts going a bit crazy because she's causing friction and stuff like that. Just normal. And I don't mean like Western standards of normal, because Western standards of normal is like thin, like thin. See, if I followed structure here, I would have been chopped, yeah? This comb took this low, made a lower low, then made a higher high, then a higher low, then a higher high. If you wanted shorts, you see lower low, lower high, lower low here, broke structure here, and then you would have gone short from this zone here. That failed. Short from this zone here. This is probably due to fail in a second. That's why I'm just trying to get some clarity on what the hell is going on with the market. Yup. No clarity as of yet. Bro, I just want my 0.5% so I can get my payout, bro. Like, I'm not asking for a lot. Gold, why you leave me? Gold, why you leave me? Okay, GJEU, sorry. Looking to like, what the hell is going on with my English, bruv? Looking to me like I want to go long, but I don't like 1 wick, 2 wick, 3 wick, 4 wick, 5 wick, and then a massive big wick to the upside. I don't like the look of that. Push up, close with the bullish candle. That's better. Higher, 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 higher. That's sus as a hell. Okay, so if we go here, I mean, that's it. Let's go in the 2 minute. Might be, ooh, maybe from there then. Possibly. Have a look here. Just have a look here. 78, 80, 2.7. We can do 3.5. Or we can just do 3. That works. Now I just need to look at euro, because what is euro doing? In the same time, what is euro doing? It's not doing anything at all, which is annoying. We tagged this demand zone, we've not done any move. I like this price action here. I feel like there could be an entry on GU. I'm just waiting for it. Oh, please don't swerve me and fly off, bro. I beg you, please. Need to get my 100k account ready as well. What are we looking at? Are we looking at GU then, or are we looking at GJ? GJ looking clean, you know, actually from here. But how big is the zone in it? I bet the zone's gonna be bloody massive. It looks huge. It does look huge. Keep an eye on GU as well. Damn it, 4.9 is gonna put me in just a bit high. 30-second chart. Can we catch a better entry on the 30-second chart? 2.7. We can do 4 there. Could do 4.8. Could that work? Possibly. GU's going to the invalid zone. That's annoying. EU's coming to break structure now. This is very not ideal price action after all of that time waiting. What's going on? You're gonna have to wake up at 4 a.m. at this rate. I swear, God. I might not even just sleep. I might just stay awake for the rest of my life. There has to be drugs for that. Okay, so euro. Damn it. Finally broke structure. Get rid of that. But we don't have any demand zone really. Got that one there, but that's already tagged into that zone anyway, so that's a no-go. I have gone almost 30 hours without sleep at one point. I can't do that anymore. I'm too old for that, bro. I ain't got the energy for all of that. That's 7. Oh, you got, yeah, sure, yeah. I've done stuff like that when I was younger, bro. But these days, nah. Even just hearing you say that, I just feel tired listening to it. Oh my God, man's been awake for 30 hours, bro. I feel tired for you. This price action, I swear to God. GBPCHF, that's bloody doing all right. You're on here. Was there any entry though? No. Nope. No entry. No entry at all. I swear price is an absolute hoe bag, yeah? It does fly up, it tags into a supply zone right here, yeah? And then now it's gonna... My psychology is good, yeah, but I swear to God, this is really annoying me. Hey, karibu ndugu. Mambo vipi? Wait one day. Safi kabisa. I don't know what that means, but nice to know that. Thank you for your kind words. I can lock the screen again. I need to leave it open. Niaji Dima. Let's see, would it have tagged 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.8, 0.7, 0.5? Yep, he's golding. I was going to golding, but I was not in the right situation for golding. But the golding looked good. Look at the golding. Whee. Whee. The golding is very golding. Very nice. Very nice. Bro, I swear it's mad, yeah, because gold, if you look at it recently, yeah, it's been given that Asia midline entry not at 7:30, 8 o'clock. It's been doing it at like 6:30, 6:45, 6 a.m. Really annoying, man. My best type of entry, early, just hours before London. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's been freaking like that happened at 6:30. If you go on here, it happened at exactly 6:35. I seen that, and then all this happened, and I was just not here. So it's very annoying. I think I looked around here. No. I looked around here. I think it was. Yeah, but then I think I was too late from this initial entry. Oh well, what can we do? And then Francis took it from here, and his SL was 100 pips, so now he's up almost 2R, almost. Get that to 100 exactly.
The IMF says Germany risks growth undershoot without reforms.
So he's up right now around 1.9 basic, which is good. That's good. I like that. Very nice. Very clean. Yeah, around 150 is where he took it. Midline, yeah. And he said it's a 100 pip SL, so I'm guessing it's kind of looking like this right here. Oh, nice. Yeah. For me, the entry was, you had 2 entries on here. So after it took that low out, I wanted to see lower high, lower low, higher high, higher lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. So for me, I wanted to take it either from this zone here, because that's a 2-minute demand zone, yeah. So this M1 demand zone, cover that low, which is 17 pips, or you could take it from this demand zone right on the low, which is a lot more risky, because who knows if you would have really got tagged with a 20 pip SL, and you'd be up right now about 10-12 R, probably about 10 11, yeah. So there was entry on M1 is there. It's actually really clean price action. That was actually really clean. Yeah, just keep trailing stops in it on M5 or whatever, and then hopefully it keeps pushing. If not, you've at least caught a good move on that trade in it. Okay, so price would have tagged that zone. But I don't like the look of this. I do not like the look of this at all. Also, why is there no... What's happened to my yen? What's happened to the... What the hell, man? What where's my... How do you refresh? It's not even showing my bloody thingy. Well, where's it going? Oh, I hate when this happens, man. There. It's annoying when that stuff happens.
Russia's Ushakov says US's Driscoll met with Russian official in Abu Dhabi. The peace plan was not discussed in Abu Dhabi.
Yeah, I don't think it would be discussed there. Have you been tagged out of that yet or not? Because I started to drop now. It's made another equal high on top, which is interesting. All right, mate. This price action's really bad. And yeah, let's go to M1, see what's going on with the euro. Made a lower low and just carried on going down from there, didn't it? Yeah, it did. How bloody useful is that? Hey. Hey. Price action's really bad, damn it. Can't think of what to do here. Still too big of a entry anyway. Why does it keep falling? London open trade, someone might give you an entry. I don't know. For me, if price is kind of, yeah, I suppose it's done. Yeah, where would I enter in then? I'd like to see those highs fail. So where would be the ideal place to enter from? You could say here, London Open, like the open demand zone, but that's one zone you could take a stab. See if you could catch like a tighter. I've already been tagged there anyways, that's too late because I set limits, I don't do live executions. If that zone failed, probably 41.54. I'm gonna try and target like 2R. Possibly. I'm thinking about this. There you go, it's taking London Open. Or you could just go for another midline entry at 41.50 again. But the problem is that if the entries already happened, it's gave you that move there, yeah? There's no reason for price to come there unless it wants to take these lows out to push higher. So what it's done is just come to the midline, bounced, made equal highs again. So price might wanna kind of like come, tag, make equal highs right here. Then come down, take all these lows out here, and then go long is another thing. Thing is, you know, gold is so suspicious with the way it moves because it don't move like normal assets, man. It moves in a really weird way. That's why I'm a bit suspicious of gold, and you have to be really careful with it. You can't look at other assets the way you look at gold, innit? On the lower time frame anyway. Even higher time frame, gold screws a lot of people over. So I'm just thinking of what would be the best way to look at this. Let's look at GBPUSD, by the way. What's going on with that? That's doing basically nothing. That's probably waiting for the autumn review at 12:30. I bet that's gonna chop around till 12:30 until we get the budget speech thing from Rachel Reeves. That would explain a lot of things on GU as to why it's being so crappy on price action. So let's go to 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. How far is that? Is 90 pips. I am not forecasting that's gonna happen today. That's gonna happen tomorrow, unless obviously they say something really bad about the UK and the economy, then yeah, that'll probably fly higher. Let's go to euro. Euro is looking a bit shite also. Odds are that's going to go over to 4 o'clock too. Odds are this high is gonna go over to 4 o'clock. True. About GCHF, what's that doing? Damn it. So you've had a build up, sweep, break structure here. We had a build up there, sweep of that channel. We've just break structure here. But you got supplies in there, can't take a long. Yeah, price is a bit difficult today, man. I've been struggling the last few days. This week's been hard for me to analyze price. And when I do, it's been like so choppy and like unusual compared to normal. Let's stay on at 5, innit? It's coming down
German
slowly.
Chancellor Merz saying Germany will continue supporting Ukrainian people and will use frozen Russian assets for that purpose.
Yo. Assalamualaikum. Walaikum assalam. How you doing, man? Did you get your money? Did you get paid?
Well, hello everybody. This is Donald J. Trump.
We all want to know, did you get paid? You should have. I'd be surprised if they didn't.
At financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal?
That's
Come on.
right. When they end up making all that, they're like 1.5. That's good. Not yet, G. What? You supposed to got paid yesterday? Today's Wednesday. Why have you not got paid, bro? That was a fat payout as well.
German Chancellor Merz saying Putin must accept there's no
So they're
option of
updating
leaving
you
this
today.
conflict
Right, okay.
successfully.
Good luck, man. Inshallah goes well. Price action's been absolutely trucker, bro. Number 130. They haven't sold enough accounts. Yeah, that's probably what it is. That's how all these 6k payout, bro, which is worse. And the account was only 25k, so he's made like 24%. They're thinking, yo, My guy bought an account for $5, getting a 6K payout. Ouch. Ouch. Oh man. Obviously they got money. That's probably 60 accounts, yeah. Couldn't break that high for long and then price fell off. 6K on Latinas, astaghfirullah, but I understand that.
It's a trap. Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Brother, haram!
Inside your mouth, speak. You suck too much dick.
Would do the same. You guys are mad right now. You guys are moving suspicious right now. Now buy my course for 2,000. Yeah. That's what you need to do, bro. Get one payout. Say I've had one payout. It's hit my bank account. I'm selling course for $50,000. All the idiot people. Oh, he must have the key code for the trading. He must be the market maker. And then everyone starts buying courses from you. Like, it's mad how people are so stupid, wallah. If there's a new law regarding payouts, they should focus on liquidity, having at least 500k in cash liquidity. Bro, 500 isn't enough. You need at least 2-3 million in liquidity, bro. You need at least 2-3 million in liquidity, bro, just to pay out. And that's to be safe. 500k is gonna go, you're gonna go through like that. You're gonna go through, bro, that's done in minutes. 500k, that's done in minutes. Yeah, exactly. Like, you think about Funding Next last month, they paid out 23 million. Last month, they paid out 23 million. Like, you know what I mean? Now, if you're a new prop firm, you need at least 2 or 3 mil, at least, for like 6 months, a year worth of you building your reputation. Hopefully, in that year, if you do get hammered by profitable traders, at least you've got 2-3 million in liquidity to pay out. Unless you start making hard rules, you can't get more than 2% payout, can't get more than 5% payout, blah blah blah. Then the problem is traders might not want to go to you and stuff like that. Then there's a bunch of problems. So yeah, but if you have it like very open, free for all rules, then yeah, you're gonna struggle because all the traders are gonna come and just maximize the profits, you know. So you need at least 2-3 million for like 6 months, 1 year. By then, hopefully you've made about 5, 6, 7, 8 million from failing traders. At that point, you might have enough money in the piggy bank to then start doing promotions and stuff like that. The business model is really interesting. Also, look at DXY right now. We were so bearish, bro. Now just look at that candle. Just what is going on? Top Step got rid of the activation fee. I'm gonna buy more. Top Step. I've heard of them. They have like a monthly charge or something like that, didn't they? That was weird. Why you pay a monthly fee? I don't get that. Top Step funded. Top Step. I don't know. Funded Next. FX. Funded Next. E8. Funding Pips. FTMO. ACG. As long as you follow the rules, bro, they will pay you out. If you're trying to get 10-20% payouts, they probably will deny you. But if you're a proper trader, Sahad, you need to become a bit more of a proper trader and stop trying to make 25% and just aim between like 2, 4, 5%. 5%'s a lot. and just keep doing that with loads of capital, then you're not really going to be a problem. Let's look at GCHF. Like, this price action's not making sense. This price action's not making sense, bro. Bro, wallahi, the price action is khara. 30, sorry. Khara is Arabic. Yeah, that's a plan, J. That's the plan. Nah, that's good, man. Just literally do that and you're good to go. That's what I've got, what, 687k worth of accounts. I just found out something. The 5k account I've got, that's literally 1% away from passing. Apparently they have a consistency rule. If they do, I'm just gonna blow the account. I'm gonna full port daily limit or max limit and just full port and blow the account, because that's a consistency rule. I don't want consistency accounts. What am I gonna do with them? Stick them in my ass? Like, yo. I messaged him yesterday. Like, what time was it? What time did I message? Okay.
One minute to expect Swiss ZEW expectations and ECB financial stability review.
Oh my god, I think I'm okay. He goes, only the pro has a consistency rule. I guess so mine doesn't have consistency rule. Question mark. If so, what are the rules? Oh, I might be okay. I might be okay. I was ready to full port blow the account as well, bro. I was literally ready to full port blow the account. Okay, FX2's got 35% off. Finally. Finally. I might be able to go with two different prop firms now. So I'm going to go to the 200k with FXify. And I'm going to go with these lot. I think, what was the max capital 100k? What was the max on trade copy? Yeah, it was 100k, wasn't it? I feel it was 100k. Yeah, 100k, so I might get 300k in accounts. Oh, beautiful. That is beautiful. Oh, that's good news.
12 spot 2 for Swiss ZEW expectations.
That is good news.
ECB's de Guindos saying trade uncertainty is lower, but it remains. From ECB, high public debt in some nations could strain bond markets.
I'm not going 5 years, bro.
Sentiment could shift abruptly on growth in AI.
GC.
ECB warns of persistently high valuations.
GC is still doing some dodgy backflippies. Backflippy McGee. That's what that is, backflippy McGee. You can withdraw all your profits on no. I want to know the rules on my 5k. You know these small 5k accounts and stuff like that, I probably will risk 1% and get like 10, 11, 12% payout, because why not? It's a 5k account. I don't mind. Yeah, I'm only going to be part of 5% once I absolutely know a shadow of a doubt, bro. I can annihilate and milk them for all their money. So I'm going to go to them after I've been profitable for about 2 years consistently. Now, in 1 year, I've managed to get funded and stuff like that, not blow a single challenge. Obviously, you know, I blew the consistency rule account because I don't really care. but I've not like, you know, stuck to my trading plan and blew an account. Like all the stuff is that doesn't really matter, because that doesn't really matter at all. But yeah, so I've never blew an account really. So my goal is in the next year, inshallah, have a full profitable year, inshallah. Then the year after that, if that year is profitable, so if I get 2 consistently profitable years back to back, I'm gonna go to the 5 years. I'm gonna absolutely shut them down. I'm gonna shut them down. I'm gonna max daily loss limit on a trade, bro. I'm gonna try and make 500%. I'm telling you, they're gonna go bust. Then I'm gonna use that money. I'm gonna send it to the freedom fighters of Palestine. I'm gonna say, I'll fund all your weapons, bro. All of them. Take it. Take it. Oh, I see. It's fine. They launched a discount recently. Yeah. Kole bump maro. Kole bump maro. Duane which ta maro. I hope you understood what I said there. So let's have a quick look at FX2's discounts then, because I like the look of him. Let's hit up FX2. So go here, click that there. FX2. So Black Friday, yeah, and they're saying you could only get a 100k account on Match Trader. Oh no, they don't have MetaTrader. No, bruv, how damn it. No, I'm not going to the same prop firm. I'm going to go to different prop firms, innit? Why would I keep going to the same one? That's a bad thing to do. Oh, I see. I'm going to send Alex Smith as if he doesn't pay me out. I thought you're going to reinvest in funding next. No. Just more prop firms. I'm going to go to FXFI and these guys. For some reason, it's showing the 100k account's $80. I don't know why. Why it's saying that. But what's a match trader, man? I've never used match trader. Why don't they have MetaTrader 5? I don't understand. I want MetaTrader 5. So working out how much the discount code is on 100k. Where does it say discounts? There. Okay, so $360 for a 100k account. That's not bad. Bro, that's not bad. Okay, who wants to... I thought you... Match Trader is garbage. Okay, makes sense. I've never used it. Who wants to be a stakeholder in Biryani funded launching next month? If I pass my phase to Contecal, I would be, haha, you can trust. Until Pip Analyst gets the second... Until Pip Analyst gets 10k payout with the 10k account. Yo, Pip Analyst the second. Yeah, that's a mad one. That's a mad one. If they do, if I do that, they will never pay me, bro. Just imagine, yeah. $5 on an account, 10k payout. They're gonna be like, I need to ban this guy. Look for any reason. Any reason. He's Australian ban. He's Australian Indian double ban. He's Australian Indian who makes too much profit, triple ban. Ban him from the UK. Yeah, man. That'd be funny. Okay, so they sent me the rules for the two-step. It has all the rules for the one with the consistency rule, two-step standard. Okay, yeah. So so 8%, minimum 5 days, 2% without breaking any rules. Upon reviewed, yeah, that's fine. Static drawdown, a hard breach when exceeding, yep. Examples, yeah. Max loss, yep. Okay, that's it. So there's no rules for payout or anything. Okay, it looks like the 5k account's a good one. I'm glad I bought that account long ago. Happy days. So how much is 357? So let's go to Wise. So how much is 357.50 into pounds? So USD. Pretty stupid website. Why so slow? Why so slow? I hate consistency. Worst thing they ever do. Worst thing they ever do. All it means is you have to wait a long time to get your payout. If you're okay with that, then yeah, you're fine, aren't you? 357.50 was it? 357.50, yeah. So only £269. I'm happy to buy that account and buy the 200k from FXify. Yeah, sounds like a plan. 2 more accounts, no problem. When's the offer end? Have a look at when the offer ends. You haven't said when the offer ends. Also, I'm gonna have to put it in the chat then, aren't I? Yeah. I think I've asked everything there. Yeah, I know. That's why. That's what my plan is, innit? Get as much capital as I can with them. Once I've got that capital, funnel all of the money into my personal account. Every single penny, bro. Every single penny. Until I've built my personal account to at least 100k. Start trading that with 2% risk, yeah? 2 to 4%. Once again, on that account, on my own personal money, a 4% risk on a 100k account is, how much is that? 4k? Yeah? If I hit 10, if I hit 10 or on 4k thingy, that's 40 bag. That's 40k. I've just done a 40% increase on my account. So that's the idea of it, and then just keep compounding it, keep getting payouts from prop firms, chucking in your personal account, and keep doing that. I think I'll stop trading prop firms once I got about 2 million in my account. Amal, you don't buy anything yet, yeah? You're not funded, bro. Relax. Not anything yet. No Black Friday deals for you. You're not allowed. I forbid you. I forbid you. You can only buy products that will help you improve as a trader. That's it. Challenges do not help you improve. If you wanted to buy, like, yeah, wait for next year then. Relax. Relax. This guy, if you want to do liquidity, go to FTMO, go to funded next, who else am I with? And go to contact all to give me more liquidity, so then I benefit. But if you're gonna do it for yourself, then only spend money on products. Like, I don't know, a journal. Buy a journal. Pay for the journal. That's going to be better, bro. I'm going to keep trading prop firms even with 1 mil. So it's free money at the point where basically... Yeah, exactly. Yeah. That's the idea. Yeah, exactly. You've already got your challenge that you're going to get buy one, get one free, man. You've already got buy one, get one free. Just passing it first, yeah? And then, you know what I mean? Use that to focus on psychology and edge. Yeah, exactly. Don't spend more money in the markets when you're not profitable. Like, it's a bad idea. The only reason I'm buying more accounts is because I'm funded. I've had 3 payouts. I'm on the verge of getting a 4th, yeah? but the stupid 0.5% rule.
Onto task.
I've not blue in account. I can start putting the money into accounts like can't I? That's all I'm doing. I've not. You guys know I've not spent anything on myself. I bought the iPad, the tablet for trading. I've not bought anything for myself.
To meet with Witkoff next week.
I've not bought anything for myself. I just put the money straight back into trading. You're very young. You have so much time to get better. Yeah, Francis is right, bro. You're 21 or 20. Relax.
Stability on both sides.
Discounts will come as a prop firm get greedy. Yeah, he's right. Sahad is right. They're always going to do discounts. If it's not going to be Black Friday, it's going to be New Year. If it's not going to be New Year, it's going to be like some US holiday or something like that. Like now they got Thanksgiving offers. Bro, they'll have offers every 3 months. Every 3 months, 4 months, they'll have an offer. They even have the Diwali, bro. What's the Diwali got to do with trading? And they have the Diwali offers. Like, you see what I'm trying to say? Don't worry about the offer.
A real day trader, go real time at financial juice.
Pay for financial juice. So, and they give me the login so you don't have to listen to this. Even that benefits all of us.
Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
You know what I mean? Just focus on financial juice. Buy the subscription. Give me the login details. Oh man. Oh, look at GJ. So bad. All men become true men once they reach 30. We age so like wine. So if you spend years getting better, by late 20s you'll be very good. QT have discounts every 3 days. What are you talking about? They have discount, bro. They've had 50% discount for the last 6 months, bro. They just keep changing the name and changing it, but it's always a 50%. Always a 50% for the last 6 months. They just might give you a free account when you pass, or a free account when you've had your first payout, or a free account when you've had 5% in profit. They're just the same discount, bro, for the last 6 months. The last 6 months, bro. You know what I mean? Like, yo. And you know, a lot of prop firms, they always have a first-time discount code. Like the first-time customer, you'll always get 20-30% as a first-time customer for most prop firms. So don't even worry about, you know what I mean? Like, don't worry about catching a 10% discount when you're in drawdown 40%. You understand? Don't worry about Amal. Yeah, you're 40% in drawdown. You're trying to maximize 10% discount. Don't worry about that. You know what I mean? I started trading last year. Allah Mubarak. 2020. So the first time I ever got exposed to trading was 2023 October, where I got scammed and stuff like that. And then obviously I had my own business then anyway, yeah. So then from October, November, December, January, I was thinking to myself, yeah, if I lost all that money, surely there's a way to make that money at the same time. And I was hitting, bro, buy USD card. I don't know if it's gonna go up or down. I just went on M1, hit buy. I had no idea what I was doing, bro. £5,000 account, 4 lots. Bro, 4 lots on a $5,000 account is like 100% risk. I was hitting buy. And then what happened? Then it wouldn't let me open any lots. I was like, what's this? And then next second my account got liquidated. Like, I lost £5,000, bro, in like a week. I was like, yo. That's like $7,000, bro. $6,000 in a week. Real money, my own money. And then I was like, you know what? If I lost this money, yeah, I bet you can make that money as well. For me to lose it means you can make it also. You know what I mean? And then from I was thinking about it from October, November, December. I was thinking, what do I do? Do I trade? Do I not trade? What do I do about it? Then I spoke to a few people. I found that guy who told me about psychology and stuff like that. Then in February, I started studying for 2 months, technicals. And then the whole time, so February, March, the whole time, I was focusing on psychology first, technical second. That's it. Now from April 2024, when I started trading, I traded April, May, June. Not July, not August, not September. Traded October, not November, not December. Traded January. Traded February. Didn't trade March or April because of Ramadan, because my sleeping pattern is messed up. Traded June, July, August. Then traded June, July, August, September, October, and now we're in November. It's literally been 11 months of trading. 11 months. In less than 1 year, bro, I've managed to get funded, get 3 payouts on the verge of 4th, never blown account. Obviously, in October 2023, I first traded, I lost $5,000. Then someone told me about prop firms. I signed up with one prop firm, blew the account in 2 days. I risked the daily loss limit in 1 day, and I just closed the trade early, but I didn't even realize you had daily loss limit, max loss. I didn't know anything, bro. Literally anything. I didn't learn any. I just literally bought a prop, yeah. A 1-step account, worst rules there is, bro. And I risked like 4% on the trade in it. I didn't even realize. Like, I just put 5 lots, hit, sell, boom, that's it. It was so bad. Customer is so bad. It was hilarious, man. And then I blew that account. And that was in like probably January or something like that. And then I was like, you know what? I need to take this seriously now. One year, 7 months for me. When I hit 2 years, I will start OnlyFans. Hey, group growing.
Wallahi al-azim, you are gay. Don't say this to me. Wallahi, you are gay. Wallahi, you are gay.
So yeah. Can't wait to sell my candlesticks. Wallahi, that sounds haram. That sounds really haram, bro. I don't want to see your doji, yeah. I don't want to see your bullish engulfing, yeah. Astaghfirullah. All of that sounds haram to me. I have done everything, bots, signals, indicators, every trade manager. Now I just trade by myself, trading shirtless. Morningstar. So the Morningstar, oh my god. Brother, you want to see my Morningstar? Yeah. Astaghfirullah. No, so I basically, what I did was, yeah, I found one guy who sells signals, yeah. I went in there, didn't follow his signals. I went to his support team and I said to his support team, I want to learn trading myself, what do you suggest? One of his support agents told me to go look at this YouTuber, that YouTuber, yeah. After I did that, that was a huge help, huge help. I learned from Matt Gray. Matt Gray, absolutely brilliant. Now me and him have a good friendship. Fantastic trader, live authentic person on YouTube, shows his trades, does live trading videos. He's been on YouTube for 3, 4, 5 years. He shows everything. Really authentic guy. Love the guy, legit. Love the guy, man. So I learned a lot of my basics from him. I didn't trade the way he does. I learned basic concepts from him. I looked at M1 traders, looked at a few different concepts there. One of my friends found a leak course, sent me the leak course, learned from the leaked course. Which is basically what, you know, the Titans of Tomorrow, Waka, is his course, yeah? But not his course, is the course that he learned from his mentor. I learned from his course. So I learned from Matt Gray, learned from his course, stuck them together, did back testing, got data. So I did all my data. How much does London move? How much does Frankfurt move? What time does London move? I did all my data research, compiled it together, did back testing, and then started to develop my strategy from there. So that's kind of how it worked for me, innit? So April, May, June, October, January, February was me basically learning the strategy, which is why I journaled for the first 3-4 months. And then after the last 6 months, I started realizing, okay, when I started using invalid zones, it helped me pick direction. When it helped me pick direction, and I was getting better at reading price action with invalid zones, that's when I started to really have my breakthrough. Because psychologically, I've always been rigid like a tank. Because I stopped really studying technicals. I just kept focused on psychology. So yeah, that helped a lot, to be fair. But if you want, I'll show you all the data research I've done. I've shown it to these guys already. But Sahad, you haven't seen it. Amal, you haven't seen it. How much research I used to do, I can show you, because the price action is absolutely shit right now. So I suppose probably now is a good time that I can show stuff like that, I suppose. Get rid of all of that. I'll show you, and I'll just go on Discord in a second, and I'll just show Discord in it, and then you can see. Let me just get GJ ready for New York session. I think Francis has already seen all the data I compiled and stuff like that. I think Francis already knows about it. What's this? So, okay, so gold is doing absolutely nothing as well right now, so that's fine. I can show you guys because all of the prices being really bad, so probably the best time I can show. Let me go to 4 o'clock there, and then go to 4 o'clock from here. Let me just do this. And then that and that, both here. Liquidity. Okay. I mean, for me, my opinion is if you analyze it yourself, it's easy for you to comprehend everything because you've done the research yourself. No, they don't have MT5 anymore. No, that's bad. I'm gonna have to go to like some other crappy prop firm, other crappy software. Then let me look for the data. And I will tell you. Okay, yeah. So some of you guys have seen this already, yeah? So let me go to TradingView Discord. Okay, so here's all the data I've done. So this is one of my other accounts on Discord, yeah? So London Open pit movement between 8 and 11:30, yeah? So that's 1 hour time frame. 24 pip, then reversed. 40 pip, then reversed 80. Ranged, then 40 pip drop. Range, 40 pip, then reversed 80. 40 to 60 pip. 650 to 80. 40 to 80. 80 to 50, 27 back to break even, then 30 again, 130 melt. So I was just literally looking through all of this data, yeah. I was doing on the monthly. I was looking at the the yearly chart. How does the yearly chart look for every year? Here's another one. FX replay. 40 pip reverse 100, 25 pip reverse 25, 40 pip reverse 80, range then 40, 40 then reverse 80. So there's that one. There's that one there. I'll just scroll slowly, yeah, and look how much data I compiled. I'm just scrolling slowly so you can see what's happened here. Why has my account been deleted? Has my account been deleted or something? Yo. Okay. As you can see, all of this data I've got here, bro. So that was 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24, I think that was, or was that 1 year? I think that's 2020 maybe. Oh, I think I was doing bad testing for election year. I think I was getting data for election year. So here's 2016, direction of the market. Here's more data on averages, London Open and stuff like that. I don't only focus on New York, but you can use this ×2 for New York. They got all this data here. I don't know what that is. Oh, here's some really good trades I took. A long time. Oh God, October, yeah. Bro, this is when I was like trading like 4-5. I was taking 1.4 pip entries. Oh my god. That's such a red flag. That's such a red flag. Oh, this is mad, bro. See, here's when you trade gold. There's gold there. Here's pound 17. Oh, I used to catch a bear, bro. But, bro, I'm telling you, like, I was killing it. Oh, here's when I was backtesting. Oh, here's my data. Look. Average duration 1 hour 45 minutes. Average duration. Max losing streak average. That's wrong. Average duration 1 hour 20 minutes. Average risk reward 11. Best winners 13. Here's when I was trying to get my backtesting software and stuff like that. 76% win rate. I did manipulate this quite a lot when I was starting to do backtesting and shit. So some of these figure points are wrong. Here's I was looking at what days are my most profitable, what days are better, blah, blah, blah. So you've got all of this here. And I think there is more. Well, I think I've got more. I have got more. Oh, Alan. Here's my chat with Alan. So, oh, this day was sick as well. I caught mad TP this day. When was that? That was February before Ramadan. Yeah. See, my charts are slightly different now as well. Oh, here's Quantecol back in February. Okay, so yeah, here's more data. UK, New York. So there's more data right there. You can see there. There's a lot more data there. And you can see that quite clearly. So much data, bro. That's 2018. I sent it to Alan because I goes, Alan, do you want some data? He goes, yeah, sure, why not? Because he trades New York, innit? I'm just hammering, bro. I spent hours doing this, man. Hours. So when was this? So that's 6 p.m. on the 15th. 15th, 16th. Then on the 16th. 16th, 1 p.m. I've been doing this for like 1, 2, 3 days straight. All day, bro. All day just compiling data. Wow, don't bear. That's it. 2017, 2019, August, September. No point doing 20 because COVID in it. I was showing him spreads. Yeah, bro, I've done bare research, man. I think there's more. I've got more on my computer. It won't be on this though. It'll be on my laptop because this was before I bought the computer. So I've got like hundreds of pages, bro, of like what time price moves and stuff like that. What is the average pip volume? What time does it move? What time does it reverse? Blah, blah, blah. Like so much data, bro. Now, I think in terms of hours, I probably put in, I did about 300 back tests to develop the basic core of my strategy. I spent about 2 weeks compiling data over like 8-9 years, or like 3 presidency elections and stuff like that for the first year of an election, for like 4 elections worth. What did I do? I did bare, man. I did loads of research and stuff, and that's why my psychology is so good, because I know my data. I know for a fact, bro, this is the averages, this is how it works. Now these are averages. So if we get days right now where price is doing consolidation, chopping around, all that stuff, I'm not so bothered, because I know right now we're in the first year of election with Trump, probably the worst person you can possibly have. Yeah, he's come out of his inauguration saying I'm putting tax on the whole world. I'm putting tariffs on the whole world. Yeah, so obviously he's broke the market the minute he come into the market. So, you know what I mean? It's good to have those data points because it just reinforces your knowledge and gives you more patience and sabr and stuff like that. That's why my patience is so good. So alongside all of that research, I read a book called Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Wicked book. Fantastic book. Read it. Really, really, really good book. And then basically after all of that in October last year, one of the YouTubers I used to follow, I asked, he's saying like, does I want to do podcasts and stuff like that? I goes, I'll happily be on a podcast. And he said, what's your experience? And I told him everything. And he goes, well, you sound clued on. Let's do a podcast and see how it goes. And after the podcast, he ended up posting it anyway. And he goes like, you're doing really good and stuff like that. And I think his name's Kevin from Canada. He's been trading now 8-9 years, probably 9 years now, maybe 10. He's been trading for years, bro. He hates prop firms, but he's been profitable for years. But he's been trading for like a long time. He trades supply demand on 4-hour time frame. But he trades drop base drop, rally base rally demands. So they're slightly different to your usual demands. If you don't know what they are, you can just search DBD demand and RBR supply. Or other way around, yeah. Drop base drop supply, rally base rally demand. He trades them on 4-hour and stuff like that. So then I did that interview and stuff like that. Then he said you're doing really good and stuff. I was like, oh, that's great. Then what happened? Then I got a link for a free Discord, yeah? One of my mates gave me a link for a free Discord for one of these course sellers. He's a Muslim. I hate the guy. I think he's guff. I don't care. And then I joined his course and I was like, yo, there's scammers everywhere. Crazy, man. That's pretty much like my sketch. If you're not willing to put the work in, you're not going to have success in trading. It's as simple as that. I don't know what to do because I don't like match trader, man. They got DX C trader. C trader takes way too much RAM. Like memory. I might have to give this Black Friday a miss on these guys. And I might just have to I'm not sure what to do with this prop firm, man. Because the trade cop, I don't want to have C trader ×2 because it's just gonna kill the flipping RAM on the computer. It's already struggling as it is. Damn it. I might not be able to go to them, which is fine. Yeah, I've never really used it. What about DX trade? Is that any good? Because obviously C trader takes a lot of memory on your computer, man. Harsh truth is trading will either break you or make you. it breaks loads of traders who have the capability to be successful, but the reason they fail is because they don't understand what the job is in the first place, you know? Like, and what I mean by that is like they don't like you. That sucks too, bloody hell. I might not go with them then. I might just stick with FXify for the 200k account and just leave it at that. I don't need to get too much capital, bro. I got 685k. If I get another tune, that's 885k. That's nearly 1 mil, bro. I'll just stick with that for now. I'll wait for them to get MT5 again, and then I'll go with them then. Who else is there that I can go to? There's any other platforms I can go to? I'm thinking. I need to send an email to FXify. They've not even updated my account details yet for me to bloody get these accounts. You know, I'll leave them. I'll message them tomorrow. But yeah, Funded Next got Black Friday deal on right now. Actually, really good. 25% off for new users, and you get 250% when you pass the rewards and stuff like that. That's insane. That is insane. 25% off for existing users, 15%. I paid full whack, man. I paid full whack. I didn't get no discounts with them. So that's actually not a bad thingy. Exactly. Now, you know, that's a good analogy, yeah? Trading is like going to uni, yeah? You got all the professors, half of them are social media influencers, yeah? And they don't actually teach you anything because they're busy trying to promote themselves to become popular, yeah? So everyone goes to them. Those people have a low pass rate for university. But then you got the other professors who shut their mouth, mind their own business, and just focus on being a good lecturer and a good teacher and providing knowledge for their students. Those students stay under the radar, but they be successful in life. That's actually really good analogy. Well done, Francis. I don't have a chair. I don't have a chair thing. I would say 90%. You know what? He might come to the stream, yeah? One of the people I met in this Discord that I joined, yeah, of the guy who I'd call him a Muslim, no chance, yeah? I met him, he messaged me a couple of days ago after I've not spoken to him for a year. He trades M1 as well. And I was talking to him about scammers. Alex G's a scammer. He goes, nah, Alex G's legit. I was like, yo, what the hell? He believes all these people are legitimate traders. The guy's 21 years old. He wants to get out of London and live a life of a millionaire, yeah? So I was like, bro, why are you following Alex G and all these people, the scammers? He goes, nah, they're not. They're legit. I goes, come on, bro. I goes, if you don't even know Alex G's a scammer, I can't help you. Like, you're lost. You're literally lost, bro. You're lost. I can't even help you. Alex G is a scammer. Textbook definition of a scammer, yeah. Alex G, Swaggy C, Alex G, Swaggy C, Mamba, is it Mamba? Mamba FX. There's loads of exposure. Even watch what's his name? The one who does scamming videos on YouTube. Mamba. I think it's Mamba, like snake. Mamba. FX, yeah. Who else have you got? You got that Asian guy, Don Vo. You got that the ICT guy, Kimmel Trades. He's a scammer. ICT Jade Cap. I think Jade Cap's legit. Iman, yes, Iman, him. Watch Iman Trading, bro. I'm telling you, he exposes all these guys. And there's another YouTuber I follow. His name's Andre McLaren or something like that. All he does is make videos of is this YouTuber legit or not. That's all he does. And basically when I was in that Discord of that apparent Muslim, yeah, he got put on his channel and he told all of his Discord followers to go and give opinions of him, and they all started to call him the N-word for black person and stuff like that, yeah. I was in the Discord, I goes, bro, what are you doing? As a Muslim, have you no shame? This guy's trying to say, be careful of these traders to be scammers, yeah? As a Muslim, you're literally telling your audience who's 18, 19-year-old Asians, Muslims, yeah, who are like gangsters and stuff like that, trying to be rich people, and you're telling them to go give their experience, yeah? You didn't say anything like, don't argue, don't fight, just tell him, did you have good experience or bad experience? That's it. They're calling the guy N-word, harassing him on YouTube and stuff like that. I comment in the Discord saying, bro, this is unjust, this is anti-Islamic, bro, what are you doing? You claim to be a Muslim, you claim to be on deen and stuff like that, yet all of the people that you've said to go comment on his video are being abusive to the guy. And then he kicked me from his Discord. I was like, yo, this guy's a koof. Even my friends in that Discord betrayed me. And they goes, oh, we don't care what he says, he makes money, we follow him. I said, okay. I goes, are you guys Muslim or koof? Because that's what koof say. Koof will follow shaitan for money. The Muslim will follow justice even at the loss of money, wealth, family and life. He follows akhirah, not dunya. You see what I'm saying? So I was like, yo, these traders are like, trading's got Muslims twisted in their brain. Really, it has. I was shocked, bro. I was absolutely shocked. And this YouTuber, Sahad, claims to be on deen. Astaghfirullah, bro. Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. Times 10. Shameful. Shameful. So yeah. His favorite trade. No, I don't like him. Okay, so I don't like I'll say his name, Yarimi University. Absolute scumbag. Hate him. Dislike him. Dishonest person. He scams his own students, takes monies from his own students, doesn't teach them, doesn't guide them, doesn't spend any time with them. The one or two of them who figure the strategy out themselves by backtesting, he worships them and idolizes them and he pushes them in YouTube, yeah, to show, look, my students made money. But the thousands that are failing, he does nothing to help them. And every time he talks about Islam and deen and stuff like that, he's an arsehole. Then you got Waqar Asim, who claims to be M1 trader. He claims to do like live entries and stuff like that. I don't see any of it on YouTube. I don't see any videos of him anywhere doing live trading. He's the one who's friends with Lambo Rao, known scammer. Alex G, known scammer. Swaggy C, known scammer. Who else have you got? Kimmel Trading, known scammer. All these guys are friends. Dan Chung is friends with all these guys. I don't know if anyone linked to that group of people can be classed as an authentic trader. I don't believe it, because all of them sell courses. All of them have like 100, 200, 300,000 followers on YouTube and Instagram and stuff like that. I never see any live execution, live trading, anything like that. And their communities are so big, I just see a small percent of traders being successful. If your strategy is so good, if it is so good, and you have poor psychology, you should still see profitability. You see what I'm trying to say? If it's so good how these people make it out to be, if your technicals, if your course is okay and your psychology is okay, you're not going to win because the strategy is not good enough to offset your psychology. Now, if you're claiming your course is the #1 course and stuff like that, even if you have bad psychology, you should see profitability. That means you're making some money, but you're blowing accounts, but you're making some money. You're not consistent. I don't see that. I just see the few traders who are exceptionally talented, who've done the back testing, done the data research, done everything, focus on psychology. That's them. That's nothing to do with the course. That's that trader making it successful. It's like ICT. 1-2 million followers on YouTube, but you've only got like 15 or 20 traders in the social media space, but he's got like 1 or 2 million students or something like that. Or 10, 20, 30,000, 100,000 students, I don't know. He's probably the most popular trader there is, yeah? He's probably got the biggest community that there is, and the level of successful traders is the worst. Percent-wise, it's the worst. I think Jade Cap is successful because he's done it himself. Maybe ICT taught him market structure, supply, demand, Look at London, look at New York. That's it. And he's done backtesting. He's learned himself. That's him. That's not ICT. That's JCap working hard. You got Paladin. I think maybe Paladin's quite good. But once again, like, one thing you see with these traders is, yeah, they all have a sub story, but the root of the issue, the root of the thing is, they were willing to work hard, bro, because they're poor, or they struggled. Paladin was homeless. Paladin was homeless at one point. He goes, literally, I went to library, back tested the shit out of the strategy, bro, till I completely understand. He goes, I went ham on back testing. I went like ham, meaning like crazy. And that's what led him to being profitable by putting in work. This is one of those jobs, trading is one of those jobs where, you know how when you have an interview, yeah? Like, you lot all know this, like Sahad, the Francis, Amal, you all know, yeah? When you go for an interview, you can lie in it. Oh yeah, I'm really good at this situation. In this situation, I'm good at, you know, building bonds with the team to progress as a team. Be self-reflective. I'm very efficient as a worker, as an employee. Like, you can lie to get the job, yeah? Like, you know that you can be dishonest and get a job. With trading, you can't. With trading, it's you versus yourself. You have to put the time in, the effort in, do the back testing, the data, the research, the time to get to that level.
Kremlin says it's too early to say Ukraine peace deal.
So what I'm saying is, Amal, exactly, it's those people who've done that work that get to that level, and the ones who haven't done the work don't get to that level. It's as simple as that's the main factor, yeah? The second factor is psychologically they're just not prepared. That's it. If you're psychologically prepared, understand the job, understand, you know, you're gonna lose, you're gonna win, you're gonna have good months, bad months, you're gonna have all these psychological problems, and you know them and you say, okay, I can accept that. Like me, I'm okay with that. And you work hard, you're gonna be successful. It's as simple as that. Trading is easy. So easy.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump.
Roadman traders, that's all it is. Exactly, Sahad. Will you become a core seller in the future? I don't want to become a core seller. I don't want to. But with that being said, if I had all you guys consistently saying, look, we want a course, please give us a course, I would probably do it for specific people, but I'd interview them, I'd give them homework, and then if they do the homework and they pass the interview, then I'll do a second stage interview. I would do it where I'm not offering it, it's them wanting it. You see what I'm trying to say? Not me profiteering off of selling the course, but people demanding a course from me. Does that make sense? So I'd only do it for the people who genuinely wanted a course. The triple prop firm CK Capital is the best in the world. ICT is legit. I don't think he's legit at all. I think he's one of the biggest scammers there is. There's no need to sell courses. Baby Pips gives out 80% of everything, which is a risk figure. YouTube's best, bro, Francis. To go on YouTube, learn market structure, learn price action. What is a candlestick? What does it mean? What do different time frames mean? Like, how does a M15 link to a 4-hour? What is supply demand? Don't even use supply demand. Actually, I think supply demand is done. The market's moved past that. If you look at supply demand 5 years ago versus now, it's not working anymore. The market's changed, the market's adapted. Which is why you're not seeing... You know that person who messaged me 2-3 days ago? He said to me, he goes, that Urimi, his course doesn't work anymore. I said, why? He goes, the course doesn't work anymore because he uses supply demand and the zones fail all the time now. I goes, yeah, because the market learns that. I goes, in the market, there's people. If you're seeing a mass group of traders trading one strategy on the lower time frame or whatever, or the way they're deciphering price action is starting to show sense, the market's going to adapt to that. You got quants involved in the market, you got hedge funds involved in the market, you got billions and trillions of dollars involved in the market. It's always forever changing. You need to adapt. Develop your strategy, learn the market, and adapt when the market's changing. That's it. But yeah, you learn market structure, learn price action, learn the importance of time, learn the importance of sessions if you're intraday trader. If you're doing 4-hour and stuff like that, just learn market structure and look for invalid versus invalid zone. Look for data points and use data points with technicals on 4-hour and daily for technicals only. If you're fundamentals, learn the impact of the government, learn the sentiment behind the government, learn the fundamental data, link that with fundamentals, link that with the 4-hour technicals, that strategy will become way better. All technical traders on 4-hour and daily switch to fundamentals, including the technicals, they become far better traders. Bro, I don't know why Wako Asim keeps sending me emails about his trade. Yes, definitely, bro. I literally had it. I applied for his course, yeah. I wanted to see what is the scenario. I told them that this is what I'm doing right now. I understand inducements, I understand this, I understand that. I showed them my trades in the interview, and the guy goes, wow, you've done really good. He goes, how long you been trading? I goes, 8 months. He goes, wow, that's exceptionally well. He goes, we've had students come to us after 4 years and they're not doing as good as where you are right now. I thought to myself, yeah, if he's saying that, I don't need to go to the course, because he's already confirmed for me my understanding of his strategy is really top tier anyway, yeah. And then I goes to him, okay, cool. I goes, so what do you guys teach? He goes, you know, a bit of this, a bit of that, blah blah blah. I goes, so do you think I would benefit? He goes, yeah. I goes, but from what you just said, in 8 months I've learned all of this on my own with no real guidance. I've all been on my own, yeah. Obviously, you know, someone's leaked a course here, someone's leaked a course there. I've learned from Matt Gray here, I've learned a bit from there, I learned a bit from there. Ultimately, I'm doing it by myself. I'm picking what everyone's saying that's good and makes sense, and whatever I learn in the market and just adding it into my own thing. I goes, why would I need the course? No. I said that after. I goes, how much is the course? 6 month subscription, $8,000. I goes, are you crazy, bro? I goes, why would I pay $8,000 to Wako for only 6 months? I would pay $8,000 to Wako for him to sit with me side by side for at least 6 months. But you don't even get that. One of my mates entered Wako's Discord, yeah? He goes, the Discord chat's blocked, so you can't comment. You can only look what they're saying, look what Alex is saying, look what Wako is saying, look at their trades. And when they do the live weekly calls and stuff like that, you can't comment to anything. All you can do is sit there and look what's happening. You can't ask questions, you can't learn nothing. And they charge you $8,000. I was like, are you insane? It's really bad, bro. And you don't even learn from Wako. You get groups, and you get one trader who's kind of like the head of that group, and he's your go-to person to ask questions with. And you only get the weekly call with Wako once a week. And as I said, you can't even ask questions because it's blocked off. And when he says, when Wako says in all of his videos, I took it live with my community, ask him, say, do you answer questions for your community live on that stream? Nope. So what's the purpose of you doing a live mentorship if you can't even engage with your students? I'm doing it live here, but I'm answering all your guys' questions. He just does his entries. He probably doesn't even mark out the chart, so you can't even see what he's marking. He's probably sticking long position here. Boom. There's a smart money trap. I'm going long. He's probably not drawing everything on the chart. Probably not saying I'm doing this because I see that. I'm doing that because I see that. That means it should be this. That means it should be that. That's what I'm seeing right now. I think an entry here is going to be good. That's him walking through, showing how he's viewing the market for you to learn from that. I don't think he's doing any of that. Trust me, a lot of these people are absolute scumbags and they're scammers. I was on a bit of a rant there, sorry boys. The best traders rarely show how rich they are. If a trader shows his expensive vehicles, mansions, yeah, he's a scammer, exactly, yeah. Mentorship over course selling, that's what I'm talking about. Mentorship, innit? And what is a mentor? A mentor is there to guide you to become a good trader. What does that mean? For example, Amal gets a bit too emotional, yeah? He gets a bit excited when he's in profit and stuff like that. I say, Amal, what are you getting excited for, bro? Just because you're in profit one day doesn't... he's in drawdown today. He's in 2% drawdown. Yesterday he was doing backflips because he's up like, you know, he's past phase 1. Now he's in drawdown. This is why you have to remain humble. That there is mentorship. I'm giving mentorship for free. The reason I don't like teaching technicals is, one, I'd have to do the whole interview process, all that stuff. It'd waste a lot of my time. A lot of people don't understand trading. A lot of people aren't willing to put the work in. A lot of people don't want to wait 3, 4, 5 years to become a millionaire. They want to be a millionaire now, but they don't even have a job. There's a lot of really bad mentality in the trading world, which is why I'm kind of like, I don't want to waste my time with these traders, if that makes sense. Allah Mubarak, I'm doing exceptionally well, bro. Allah Mubarak, I'm doing exceptionally well. Mainly because of my psychology. Exactly, they be... Bro.
Haram! We have sort of a problem here.
All the sounds are coming out on the soundboard there, mate. So yeah, market was really bad today. I need to start cleaning up these charts because I got way too many lines going on here. I don't see us dropping 60 or going up 70, but with that being said, I don't know how this budget. So we got 12:30, we got Rachel Reeves, the chancellor of the budget, having a big speech, and I'm concerned about what she's gonna say. So this could lead to big volume on the pound, like big volume. So yeah, I'm just gonna delete that. I'm just trying to keep the charts a bit more clean, innit? But yeah, so that's like my opinion on trading and stuff. Anyway, I think trading is a very simple thing. People just mess everything up, man. Yeah, it is facts. Everything I said is facts. Literally, like, the reason why I'm doing so well is because of my understanding. That's it. The reason I'm doing so well is because I understand the market, I understand trading, I understand the difficulties, I understand the pros, I understand the cons. That's literally the reason why I'm having success. If it wasn't for me getting scammed by that idiot, and then me meeting Nate and then having that discussion with him about psychology, and he told me about trading in the zone, and then me sitting and contemplating what is trading. If it wasn't for all of that, I wouldn't be where I am right now. Literally, it doesn't matter how good your technicals are. It doesn't matter how good the core seller is. If you don't understand trading, bro, just stop. Like, just stop. Just don't lose your money, man. You're gonna financially hurt yourself. Just relax. Now, I'm not here to be arrogant, yeah, but in my opinion, I think I'm doing exceptionally well as a trader. I'm doing better than most people, that's for sure. My technicals aren't as good as some people's are. I think my technicals are good enough to trade M1, which is hard in the first place, yeah. But in terms of as a trader, I think I'm an exceptionally good trader because my psychology is on point, my discipline's on point, my trading plan's on point. Like, yeah, like, I don't see how I can improve as a trader right now, other than what can I improve on as a trader? It's a good question. My patience is really good. Like, my patience is good here. Technicals are good. If I could improve, I would say I could improve on my technicals in the sense that when I'm looking for a long, sometimes a short happens and I'll be focused on the long. But once again, I think that's experience, and I've only been trading for 11 months, so that could be harsh. I could be harsh on myself for that, but I would say that. But I mean, you do see me trying to switch between buys and shorts pretty quickly. It's just sometimes where I'm stuck on the buy, but if I'm looking at price, actually it's giving shorts, but I'm stuck on longs from that zone. But I think I'm okay to just be fine with that and just focus on the trades I like to take anyway. That's if I'm being really nitpicky. I don't think there's anything else I can improve on. I really believe I'm at my best in terms of psychology. I'm at my best in terms of discipline and stuff like that. I don't have psychology, meaning FOMO, all that stuff. Technically, as a trader, I think I'm like 85% there. Yeah, I don't think there's much more for me to improve on. Because of my discipline, I only take trades that are valid as per my trading plan. And have you guys seen me take an invalid trade? The only trade I took was when we had that Kurdish guy used to come to my live stream, and I was telling him about something, and I set a limit, and the limit entered, and I forgot to cancel the limit. But other than that, I don't think you guys have ever seen me take a trade that was invalid, right? Ever. I don't think. Except when that Kurdish guy used to come. Tez. Was it Tez or Taz Trades or whatever it was? Where is that guy? I've not seen him in ages. I don't think I've taken a trade that's outside of my trading plan since. Only Francis could answer that because only he's been here that long of a time. Amar's relatively new. No one else is here to... Yeah. Ali never... OT never come to my streams back then. So yeah, I think only Francis could comment on that, to be fair. So gold is just pretty much stuck ranging right now. But you know, one thing I will say is find a mentor, bro. It's really good for you if you don't have one, but yeah. I think, hey, you all can't help each other anyway. Francis, did you hear the question I asked? Latina for girlfriend experience, Japanese for wife experience. What the hell happened to all the Muslim people, bro? What's going on here? What's going on here? Why none of the Muslimics, eh? Yeah. But have you ever seen me take a trade that was invalid? Because normally I would say, oh, damn, that trade's invalid or whatever. I've never really taken one. Except when we had that Kurdish guy come and I was answering one of his questions. And then I set a limit and I forgot to cancel the limit. That's the only one I can remember. But yeah, like I always follow the plan in it. There's been days where I've got price action wrong. Yeah. There's been days where I've got price action wrong, but I've even said, oh, I've been wrong today. It's fine. It is what it is. Like you can't be right on price action every single day. Which I have been for like many months. But yeah, I need Latinas. This guy. The thing is, the Latinas, bro, they're not really Muslim in it, but trust me, they're 10-10. They're absolutely 10-10. Me gusta muy hermosa Latinas, pero muy peligroso. Pero, Latinas muy grande culo. Me gusta. If you know Spanish, you know what I said. If you don't, I cannot answer on live stream. Ay. what's with Latinas? They're hot, man. Like they're really attractive. Like look at Sofia Vergara. Look at Penelope Cruz. If you watch Corn, look at Esperanza Gomez. Ay ay ay. For you. I'll tell you that one's at oi 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 oi. Oi 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 oi. I want a Latina with some curves, man. Curves, man. And then break up with her. And after she's stressing me out. Many Latinas I've seen is on OF. Oh damn. Yeah, they're trashy though. They're a bit more like trashy, innit? So yeah, so let's look at price action on M15 then. Frankfurt gave a lovely move down. Then we've just been sat in a consolidation. Frankfurt gave a lovely move down on it does EUG's kind of done the same thing, dropped down. London Open gave a bit of volume, like from there to there, then just kind of stuck in this box here. Yen was just freaking wicking every single way here, and they had a massive drop just now. I don't know why. CHF, yeah, not looking good. Gold is probably the best one because yeah, it's just stuck. Gold is good because obviously it come to that Asia midline bounce and then it gave good volume, but then it's kind of struck in a range since, isn't it? So it's only really been good from here to about here. So yeah, let me just box it in it. It's only really been good from there to there. It's only really been good there, to be honest. On gold, what about silver? How's silver looking? Because we're up 0.82, silver should be 1.5. Oh, 1.8. Silver's done better. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Silver would have. Oh, wait a second. Wait, lads, there's a nice entry on silver, man. Look at that. Obviously, it's hindsight, innit? Yeah, but look at that. Well, that's covering obviously that low there. That's not bad. Silver's not looking bad at all, actually. What about Bitcoin? Let's have a quick glance at Bitcoin. See how that's. Oh, it's coming down again. Hopefully, we continue down. But yeah, you're right, Mangi. Like, price has been kind of stuck in a consolidation, to be fair. So yeah, I know why the pound is stuck, because obviously we got that Rachel Reeves budget thing, which is going to be really, really big for the UK, which is why that makes sense. But euro, I don't know why euro is. I don't know if euro is just kind of lagging behind, maybe because of the same reason. I'm not too sure. If like pounds pulling euro along with it type of thing, it could be. I'm not too sure.